In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix an Xbox controller that won't sync to your Xbox Series X or S console. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there, but if your controller light is flashing, you need to start by removing the batteries from the back and leave them out for a few seconds to reset the controller. From here, just put the batteries back in and try syncing it again. You can press the sync button on your Xbox and then hold the sync button on your controller until it starts flashing. Give it a few seconds, see if it connects. If it still doesn't pair, the next step is going to be power cycling your console. You can do this by holding down on the power button on your Xbox for about 10 seconds until it fully shuts down. Once it's off, unplug the power cable from the back of the console and just wait for about 30 seconds. I would recommend setting a stopwatch or whatnot just to make sure that it's out for 30 seconds because it's called a power cycle and it's going to help clear the system cache. After that, plug the power cable back in, turn your Xbox on again, and when it does boot up, try syncing the controller again using the exact same method. From here, press the sync button on the console one more time, and then of course on the controller, and this should resolve any syncing issues. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.